Okay, today we're looking at a 2016 Chevrolet Colorado Z71. It's got 23,000 miles on it. It's brownstone metallic in color. All right, it is a four-wheel drive. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Driver's side of the vehicle's in good shape. All right, it does have the rear backup camera. Got your tow hitch down there with the trailer plug-in. It does have the spray-in bed liner with a nice bow tie there. Exterior of this Colorado is in great shape. All right, it is a four-wheel drive, 23,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black and gray door panels, nice metallic trim there, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, and it is a four-wheel drive. All right, it's got the gray inserts with the design on it there, black and gray leather. All right, trim. All right, driver's seat's in good shape. Does have the keyless entry key fobs with remote start. Passenger seat. All right, it is an automatic. Got your heated seats down there. Climate control area here. It's going to have your backup camera and everything, touchscreen display right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth, and then your cruise control over here. Let's go ahead and check the mileage. Okay, it's got 23,209 miles. All right, now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you your home screen over here. All right, these are all your apps. Okay, let's go ahead and engage the navigation. All right, take you back to your home screen. Got your audio app here. Okay, go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right. Okay, and you got your climate control area here. AC's blowing cold, no issues there. And then of course your heated seats here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Door panels look good. Back seat carpet's in good shape. 2 USB outlets here and a power supply. Same thing back here in the back seat. It's got the cloth insert with the design. Then you got your black and gray leather trim. All right, the back seat's in great shape. Does have the center console here that folds down with the cup holders. Okay, let's go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. We've already went over the bed of the truck. Okay, it's got the spray-in bed liner. Nice. Tailgate comes down nice and slow. Alright. Everything looks really good back here in the bed of the truck. Of course, you got your tow hitch and your trailer plug-in over there. Alright, let's take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got 17-inch alloys. Right. Tires are in great shape. Plenty of tread left on the tires. Alright, once again, it's a 2016 Chevrolet Colorado Z71. 23,000 miles on it. All right, it is four-wheel drive, brownstone metallic in color. This thing is really nice inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.